Have you ever wondered how your favorite e-com gurus are finding winning products that make them 6 to 7 figures in revenue? Yet you have to test 5, 10, 15 products before you even make a sale. Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how these e-com gurus are finding these winning products and are able to generate 6, 7 figures in revenue. I will be showing you 3 things. Number 1, how top dropshippers are finding the best products and you won't even find one, unless of course you watch this video. Number 2, what exactly a winning product is. And number 3, show you the exact system that I use in order to find my winning product. The reason why the top percent of dropshippers are finding winning products almost instantly is because all they simply do is looking at what's working right now. They don't overthink it. They let the sellers do the work for them, get the results, and then based on those results, they'll see if they should sell the product or not. They see the results, they use the resources they have, and they start selling almost within 24 hours. Compared to you, an average beginner, you're looking at this, that, should I sell it? Should I not? I don't have the budget. I don't have the resources. I don't know what to do. That's why it's important before you begin, you have to have many things: the right mindset, the resources, and lastly, the budget to begin. In my own experience, when I first started out, I had no idea what I was doing. In the end, I spent thousands of dollars on paid ads and basically lost everything. But I learned from it. I learned that in order to be the best at something, I have to learn from the best. That was until I got the right mindset, I saved my money, and I found a concrete strategy that's going to work for me. And I told myself I will not quit ever. And to this day, it's been 5 years now, and I'm still going on in the dropshipping space. Now that you understand how the top percent of dropshippers are finding winning products, now it's time for you to understand what exactly a winning product is. Here's a winning product criteria that I use whenever I'm looking for winning products, and I will show you exactly how I do my product research at the end of the video. So here's a winning product criteria. All 4 are important and 3 must be checked of the 9. So I'm going to go over all 4 are important. So number 1, when you see the product, let's say I'm selling a phone case, it has to have a wow factor that grabs the viewer's attention. Number 2, it's a product that can be sold in stores. So you can't find it on Amazon, you can't find it at Walmart or any local store. You can only find it on your Shopify store. And number 3, low cost of goods. So low cost of goods is important so you can have a good offer, good profit margin. If you don't have low cost of goods, it's going to be very difficult to have a good offer and make sale. And lastly, an evergreen product. Evergreen means it can be sold all throughout the year, not just Christmas time, Valentine's Day, or any type of holiday. It can be sold all throughout the year. So now when we look at 3 of the 9 must be checked, you want to make sure that you get 3 of the 9 you can see here. So number 1, does it help confidence? Does it help convenience? Does it solve a problem with a solution? It has to be within the 3 of the 9, and that's when you know you have a winning product. So every time I'm looking for products, I'm literally always using this winning product criteria. So I know 100% that I have a winning product or not. Now that we understand how dropshippers find winning products and the criteria that they're looking at when they're seeing if it's a winning product or not, it's time to take action. It's time to find winning products. And I'm going to show you exactly that. This is the strategy that I use. This is the strategy I teach my students, and it works. It has given me proven results. It's the easiest and most effective strategy you can use right now. And it's literally free. It doesn't cost anything. It's called the lazy method. Why do I call it the lazy method? Because you're probably already scrolling on TikTok, Instagram, wherever, and you're being lazy, but you're scrolling mindlessly. Instead, you can do the same thing, but scroll for winning products. Imagine you're still scrolling all day mindlessly, but instead for winning products. So what you want to do, first things first, is open a brand new TikTok page. This is a TikTok page you've never used before, and you're only using it to find winning products. Now, when you're doing this, what you're going to search up is you're going to search up, I need a refund. Then you're going to engage with all of the dropshipping products. You're going to like, you're going to comment, you're going to go through the profile, visit the link, go through all the videos on the profile. Do this at least 10 to 20 times until your For You page is full of dropshipping products. Now, the moment you see a dropshipping product on your For You page, engage with it. Keep doing that over and over again. And eventually your For You page should literally be full of dropshipping products. This strategy is effective for 3 reasons. Reason number 1 is you're able to see the results for yourself. So let's say there's millions and millions of views. There you go. You see that right now. Let's say there's positive comments. People are commenting very positive things. There you go. Let's say the posts they're making within the last 7 to 14 days are getting millions and millions of views. That is another reason why it's a winning product. And number 2, you can actually see what creatives are performing good that you can literally do yourself when you're making your own content for your product. So instead of just making your own original content, you can already see what's working, do the same video yourself for your own product. And lastly, you're able to see what kind of conversions you will have with your product. This is all based on the engagement that the product's getting, what are people saying about the product, and that will show you if it's a winning product or not. If you utilize these 3 reasons why this product strategy works, there's no reason why your product should not go viral. So I'm going to use my phone now. I'm going to show you exactly how I find my winning products. So let's just get onto my TikTok page that I use for this. So like I said, again, make sure this is a brand new account, an account you've never used before. and you only want to use this strictly for finding products. So here's the account that I have, and I'm gonna mute it so it's not too loud. But you can see already, I got onto the page. The first thing I see is a winning product. You found the cutest pottery wheel. Okay, so now go view the page, and you can see this video was posted 5 days ago and literally has 1 million views. Just like that. Literally just sign into the account that I already have set up, and you can see I'm already finding winning products. Then I'll just keep scrolling, another product, right? So let's go look at the potential. Okay, for some reason it's like glitched. Okay, there you can see 150,000, 100K, 400K. Let's see when they posted this. 1 week ago. Another one, literally a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, right? These videos are all going super viral only recently. And you can see that, right? That's when you know if it's a winning product or not, based on seeing how recent those videos are going viral. So already 2 videos in on the TikTok page, you can see we found 2 winning products that could potentially be winners. And another one. So I saw this one before, this pumpkin one before, more for Halloween, but I wouldn't sell it now. And as you're scrolling, you want to like also like, you want to view the comments, you want to, also go to the profile, kind of just keep making sure that TikTok knows you're someone who's going to buy on TikTok. Right. So you can see almost every single product that we're seeing, right? This is happening live on the page. You can see almost every single product is literally a dropshipping product that could potentially be a winner. Sometimes you'll get the on and off like non-winning product, but majority of the videos you see are going to be drop shippers. So let's see this one. Lego is going to sue you. Okay, some type of rose thing. And you can see 6 days ago, 700K views almost. All right, so just keep scrolling, and you can literally do this all day. And then anytime you find like a video, like let's say this product I want to sell, all you gotta do is just click save. And then when you go to your favorites, you can literally just see all of the dropshipping products that you favorited. And then what you can do is you can go spy later on and see if the page is still performing good. How is it performing? So you'll always have it there. So yeah, literally just keep scrolling. This product I've seen going crazy, crazy viral. When did they post that video that I just saw? So this video got 1 million views 1 week ago. Okay, so this has potential. This video in the beginning of January got 3 million views. Okay, so we'll just keep scrolling. So yeah, just like you can see, literally the For You page will have some other things, but majority of the videos will be dropshipping products. I've seen this one. This one looks pretty cool. And you can see, look at the virality. Only a week ago or so, this video got 8.4 million views. This is literally a winner. Just like that, we literally found a winner. Look how simple and easy this is. Look at that. 8 million, 3 million, 10 million. Look at all their videos. Look how crazy viral. So now what you do, you sell this product, you look at the videos they're making, you can filter it by popular, start selling it, start making videos that are similar to these videos. Easy. Easy. This is literally easy sauce for you. If you don't do this, you're missing out. Go sell this product right now. If you're somebody who's starting out, go sell that sketch product because it's going viral right now. So hopefully you did enjoy this video and you got a lot of value out of it. If you want more videos about organic dropshipping, let me know. I'll make a lot of more videos to help you all. Hopefully you did enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one.